Hello everyone to Learning Academy Foundation from Mr. Andrea. Today I would like to show you about the English program for grade 2. The students start with phonics, learning about the tricky words and about different letters and how to form them. After phonics, the next section is about spelling. The students will find out how two separate words can be merged to create a compound word and how about words that contain silent letters like the K in night or the S in island. And finally, the students will learn how to spell and use some tricky words, including a short video on spelling tips and syllables. The next section after spelling will be homophones. The students will see that homophones are groups of words which sound the same when you spell them, when you say them, but have different spellings and meanings. And then they will find out how to use the homophones there, and there. And they will work out whether to use two, or two, because it can be tricky. So they will find out when to use each of these words. After homophones, the next section will be about prefixes and suffixes. The students will discover how they can change the meaning of a word by adding a prefix. They will find out how to add suffixes to the end of words to change their meaning. And they will discover how they can add the suffix ly to a word to change its meaning. After prefixes and suffixes, the next section will be about punctuation, where the students will see that question marks go on the end of every questions. So they will find out how to use them. And how an exclamation mark can be used to show when something is surprising or forceful. They will see that brackets are a form of parentheses, but when should they be used in a sentence? And finally, they will find out where to place a comma to make the perfect list. The next section after punctuation will be about grammar. The students will find out how they can use different types of nouns in their writing. They will learn what verbs are and how they can use them in their writing. They will find out what adjectives are and how they can use them in their writing. And how to use and, because, if, and when to join ideas. The students will practice using some different conjunctions to extend sentences. And they will learn how to write sentences that include the word because. Second part of grammar will be about how to get to know. So they will get to know the four main sentence types and how to use them. The students will find out how to use common sentences to give instructions. They will see that questions are sentences that ask something, so they will find out how to use them in their writing. and how to use exclamations to show intense feelings or to get attention. Further, the students will learn how to use statement sentences to tell their reader a fact or idea about a topic. They will find out about writing in the first, second, or third person. They will see that all verbs have a past, present, and future form, so they will find out when to use them. And finally, how to spell and order the days of the week from Monday to Sunday. Next section about after grammar will be the alphabet and letters. In this section, the students will learn what a dictionary is and how to find words alphabetically, and they will find out how to spot the 5 vowels in an alphabet full of consonants. After the alphabet and letters, this next section is about handwriting, where the students will learn how to write the long letters L, I, T, U, J, and Y. The one-armed robot letters B, H, K, M, N, P, and R. And they will find out how to write the zigzag letters Z, V, W, and X. They will learn how to form the curly caterpillar letters C, A, D, G, Q, O, E, S, and F. And finally, they will discover how to identify and form the 4 different letter types. The next section after handwriting will be about comprehension, where the students will learn how comprehension skills can help them understand a piece of text. After comprehension, the next section will be about stories. So they will find out about the different genders of fiction writing, and the students will learn how to describe their favorite character and create a character of their own, and how to illustrate their writing. Finally, they will learn all about Word Book Day. They explore different books, genres, and try exciting book-related activities. The last section after stories will be about poems, where the students will learn what make a poem and how to write their own. They will discover how rhyming words have the same sound. They will find out how to work out the rhyme scheme of a poem, and different ways to remember a poem. So they might picture parts of the poem or use the rhythm of the words. And finally, they will celebrate the World Poetry Day with activities, quizzes, and videos for children. I'm sure it will be fun and interactive, and they will learn a lot. So thank you for your attention, parents and students. You can find my contacts below in the slides or in description. See you in the lesson. Bye.